If you're looking for the best blender for Chava, then you're in the right place. I and the rest of the team have literally spent days trying and testing all the best Chava blenders on the market so that I can give you the most reliable recommendations possible. If you want to see where to buy each product mentioned, then check out the links at the top of the description box. If you're often on the move and need a quick way to enjoy your Chava, this compact blender from Hamilton Beach might just be your perfect match. Harnessing the power of this nifty gadget, you'll whip up your nutrient-packed Chava shakes in mere moments. The convenience of blending directly in the detachable travel jar makes it ideal for busy mornings when breakfast is a luxury. Just blend, grab, and go, the perfect companion for a fitness-focused lifestyle where time and nutrition compete. When every second counts in your hectic day, spending ages on cleaning up is not an option. This blender's parts are dishwasher safe, making for an uncomplicated and swift cleaning process. You can stay on top of your health game without the mess of a more intricate setup. This blender is not just about practicality, it's about fitting into your life. Literally. Its compact design can be stored away with ease or perched on your desk without taking over the space. While it's a champion for single-serve smoothies and shakes, it's important to remember it won't replace the heavy-duty kitchen blender for bigger culinary challenges. As long as your blending ambitions match its petite profile, you'll be set for quick and easy Chava blends on the go. Moving on to the fourth best Chava blender, we have the popular Nutribullet blender. If you're into Chava shakes and want convenience with a dash of speed, this little gadget might well be your greatest kitchen ally. Imagine the scenario: you've got Chava and a hunger for nutritious shakes with minimal hassle. That's where the Nutribullet blender swoops in. It's a nifty tool that'll whip up your shakes in a jiffy, and it's small enough to stay on your counter without the clutter. Drop in your ingredients, give it a whirl, and bam! You're sipping on a creamy smoothie without skipping a beat in your morning routine. Yet, simplicity has its trade-offs. Don't expect this blender to crush a tray of ice or take on nut butters. It's not built to muscle through the tough stuff. Consider your portions too. If you're blending for more than just yourself, you might find yourself doing a few extra runs. But solo shake makers, rejoice. For your quick fix needs, the Nutribullet doesn't miss. Despite being a lightweight device, this blender punches above its weight for everyday tasks. It's dead simple to use, no rows of buttons or settings to decipher. And the cherry on top? Cleanup's a snap. Rinse the blades, pop the cups in the dishwasher, and you're done. In your fast-paced life, where convenience is king, this Nutribullet could be just the ticket to tasty Chava. Up next is the Ninja Fit, which earns the third spot on my best Chava blender list, thanks to its powerful motor and space-saving footprint. For quick preparation of smoothies and shakes, this compact blender is surprisingly efficient. With its slim design, you can fit it almost anywhere in your kitchen. But it isn't just about saving space, it's the blending performance that makes it stand out. Despite its modest size, the Ninja Fit has a strong motor that easily breaks down fruits, vegetables, and even ice. This means your shakes will be smooth and well mixed every time. Portability is another thing that adds to the charm of this Ninja blender. The two included cups are perfect for those on-the-go mornings. Just blend your Chava and pop on the spout lid. You're all set to take your nutritious concoction with you. Whether you're off to work, the gym, or running errands, it massively simplifies your health routine. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. The single speed function means less control over the blending process. If you prefer quick one-touch operations, this won't be an issue, but if you like more customization, this might not be the blender for you. Moreover, those who need larger batches might find the 16-ounce cup a limitation. Now for the runner-up. If you're hunting for a compact yet potent blender for your Chava shakes, the Beast Mini Blender is a solid choice. When looking to whip up a Chava shake in a jiffy, the Beast Mini blender shines with its robust 600-watt motor nestled in a design that's built to tackle a wide array of culinary tasks. Although it's dubbed mini, it doesn't skimp on blending prowess, which is awesome for a health enthusiast craving smooth, nutrient-packed beverages without the bulk of traditional blenders. You'll appreciate the thoughtfulness in design, as its sleek form factor means your kitchen counters stay uncluttered, allowing the blender to become a mainstay rather than a cumbersome gadget to be stowed away. Being BPA-free and sporting a straw cap, it's clear the Beast Mini is tailored for those who value both health-conscious and practical details in their kitchen appliances. There is, however, the price to mull over. Given its premium features and robust build, the cost isn't negligible, which could make budget-conscious shoppers pause. So, what is the best blender for Chava on the market today? Well, it was a close call, but if you're eyeing a quick, no-fuss way to whip up your Chava shakes, the Nutribullet Personal Blender is where you need to look. Nutrient-rich smoothies have become synonymous with a vibrant lifestyle, and finding the right tool for the job is essential. Imagine starting your day with a flavorful Chava shake, effortlessly blended to smooth perfection. That's where the Nutribullet shines with its simple push and twist operation, transforming your powder blend into a drinkable superfood as quickly as you can say Chava. Well, okay, maybe not that quickly, but you get the idea. The Nutribullet is as speedy as they come. Also, with space-saving design in mind, this blender doesn't command much real estate on your countertop. You can revel in the ease of making personal-sized shakes without the hassle of lugging out a bulky appliance. Not to mention, when you're done, cleanup is a breeze. A quick rinse and a load into the dishwasher keep things moving smoothly in your routine. Yet, not all tasks are equal. While the Nutribullet manages most jobs admirably, if you frequently make shakes for a crowd or use a lot of frozen or fibrous ingredients, you might bump up against some limitations. The single-speed motor's got gusto, but it's not a jack of all trades. This might not be a deal breaker, but it's good to know before you commit. Okay, so there you have it, guys. My carefully curated list of the best blenders for Chava on the market today. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful in any way, then please do give it a like. And if you'd like to see more from me in the future, you could maybe even consider subscribing as well. Thank you very much for watching.